Hello, we are from Group 3 and this is our slides for Karyotyping Practical SLP2. In the slides, the contents includes the caricature for both chromosome 3 and chromosome 15, and also the karyotyping for normal and abnormal. Our team consists of Luqman as the leader, Asfar, Haikal, Danish, Hanis, Mariam and Gayatri.
Next, we move to chromosome 3. This is our caricature for chromosome 3. As we can see, it has fluffy head, it wears spectacles and has heavy legs as it has more bend at Q arm. Next, we move to the morphology of the chromosome 3. Firstly, it is the third largest of the 23 pairs of chromosomes. Secondly, chromosome 3 is metacentric. Next, chromosome 3 likely contains 1000 to 1100 genes that produce proteins. Next, we move to the critical genes that present in chromosome 3. Firstly, von Hippel-Lindau syndrome, VHL gene. VHL gene mutations result in von Hippel-Lindau syndrome. The VHL gene is a tumor suppressor. It prevents uncontrolled or excessive cell growth and division. The VHL protein cannot be produced by mutations in this gene, or it can be produced but in an abnormal form. Secondly, colon cancer, MLH1. Colorectal cancer is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth in the colon or rectum due to mutation occur on MLH1 gene. It is also known as colon cancer. The large intestine or colon is the large bowel. The rectum serves as the pathway between the colon and the anus. Next, small cell lung cancer, SCLC1. Small cell lung cancer is a condition in which the tissues of the lung develop malignant or cancer cells, and because the SCLC1 gene is mutated and cannot function as tumor suppressor gene. The risk factor for small cell lung cancer is smoking. Coughing and breathing difficulty are small cell lung cancer SCLC1 symptoms. Lastly, essential tremor, ETM1. Essential tremor is the most known human movement disorder. Postural tremor of the arms is the primary symptom of essential tremor. However, it can also affect the head, legs, trunk, voice, jaw, and facial muscles. The syndrome may result in a functional handicap or even incapacitation and is aggravated by emotions, hunger, exhaustion, and temperature extremes. Most families can display autosomal dominant inheritance. That's all. Thank you.
Next, this is caricature chromosome 15. The chromosome 15 contains headless, which is antenna triangle shape, and it also have duct at upper part. Next, we go to the morphology of the chromosome 15. Firstly, the chromosome 15 short arm does not contain any genes. The chromosome 15 is an acrocentric chromosome, and also the chromosome 15 contains from 700 to 1000 genes. Next, we go to the critical genes present in chromosome 15. The Prader-Willi syndrome, which is SNRPN, the genetic basis of the syndrome is a loss or unexpression of the small groups of genes within 15q, 11q, 13. The patient will only manifest the disorder if the deletions or the inactivation occur within the chromosome 15 inherited from the father. Next is Angelman syndrome, which is UBE3A. Loss of the maternal copy of 15q11q13 leads to Alzheimer's syndrome, which is AS. Clinical manifestations of AS include intellectual disability, speech impairment, and ataxia. Next is Tay-Sachs disease, which is called as HEXA, H-E-X-A. It is caused by an alteration in the HEXA genes on chromosome 15, which code a subunit of the hexosaminida enzyme known as hexosaminidase A. It is inherited in an autosomal recessive manner. And lastly is Marfan syndrome, which is FBN1. The mutation in the FBN1 gene causes Marfan syndrome and causes the reduction of the amount of functional fibrillin 1 that is available to form microfibrils. As a result, microfibrils cannot bind to growth factor, so as these growth factors are available and elasticity in many tissues is decreased, leading to overgrowth and instability of tissue in Marfan syndrome. That's all for me. Thank you.
This slide shows our group work on manual karyotyping for normal chromosomes. As the picture shown, the chromosomes are paired together, excluding the X and Y chromosome. Our team have worked together to identify each characteristic of chromosome to pair them accordingly to their respective number.
There are 47 chromosomes or 20 pairs of chromosomes plus 1 in this chromosome set. As we arrange all the chromosomes in pairs, we notice that there are 3 chromosomes that look similar and share some same features. Those features are short acrocentric, has dot satellite head, and dark triangle. This indicates that this person has trisomy 21. Also, for the sex chromosome, there is only one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. So we concluded that this person is a male with Down syndrome.